Hi there, I'm Keith Webster and I'm glad to be facilitating this course for the next 3 weeks. This week you're going to be exploring contexts, learners' contexts, and the context in which something is learned and where it's going to be performed eventually. Each of these is a really important aspect of designing learning, and while the textbook is, I think, pretty rigorous in how it goes into what it is you might be doing here, it is actually a really complex issue in learning design. So especially when it comes to analyzing the context of your learners. Who are the learners that you're designing for? And one of the most important issues, I think, here that might not be as emphasized in the textbook is that often there isn't a single group or body that can be described with a certain number of aspects that are going to be relevant. Often you're going to have a couple of different populations that you're going to be designing learning for, and so you need to investigate that and come up with a reasonably precise understanding of who you're designing for. And I think the other aspects as well, the learning environment and the eventual performance environment, are also quite complex and something that we could spend certainly a lot of time discussing and learning about. Anyway, there's a pretty interesting activity for this week. I want you to dive right into it. I think there's a lot of ways you could explore this issue or this week's issue in that activity, and I look forward to seeing what you've produced and what your end results are going to be. If you have any questions about this topic, about the course in general, about the activity for this week, please post them in the relevant forum on the Moodle site, or send me an email. Either is fine, though of course if you post in the Moodle, then everybody gets the benefit of whatever I might come up with for an answer. So I look forward to the next 3 weeks, and this week in particular, with a very interesting topic for us all to dive into. Talk to you later.